Hey, July 2nd, it's the Monday. I'm getting back to being more productive, back into Premiere Pro. It's 9 days now, I've had this chesty cough and it's still there, it's still constant. The last 2 nights been really hard to sleep. I think last night was worst, and the night before wasn't great. But my general feeling is it's not far away from, I'm not bringing as much phlegm up, I'm not coughing as much. It's improving, and maybe the antibiotics are working. I've got another 3 days of those to go. So I feel a bit more spirited about it. That's the kind of cough I've been doing, and I don't know, every 5 minutes, especially when I move and talk a lot. But my feeling is it's going to be a lot better shortly. I've not been walking as much. A crow going over. I got my skin up Wednesday, just Wednesday, yep. So less than 48 hours now. That's almost time for that. I just really makes you appreciate your health when you've got a constant cough. It kind of builds up and you can't stop it. You try and stop it and it just gets, the urge to cough is stronger and stronger. It's not pleasant. It's not pleasant. It's not pain, but it's just annoying, and it's very vocal. It's very loud. I've coughed. I've come here. I've coughed around the pond like 3 or 4 times, 4 or 5 times now. And I've just been doing this vlog for less than 3 minutes.